for apple. B for boy. C for cap. D for doll. E for elephant. F for flower. G for grapes. H for horse. I for insect. J for joker. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for mango. N for net. O for onion. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sunflower. T for table. U for uncle. V for vegetables. W for window. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.